Welcome back to the Ecom Family Infinity Supplement Path. This is phase 3. Yes, we're diving right into the product page, PDP. The mindset shift that I want to cover is to, yes, you're not just building an actual page, you're building and designing an environment that your customer will have options to help you become free. This is where curiosity turns into a purchase. The objective for this is to help you guys build your product page that guides the customers to saying yes. Every section should move them closer to making a decision. And this phase is super important because you all have seen that traffic can equal income, but all the traffic in the world with a not well optimized product page isn't going to fix your sales problem. So this is the key of why we are starting with this early, because if the page doesn't convert, you make no money. And this is where sales are won or lost and subscriptions are built. And of course, as a friendly reminder, we have some more glossaries for you guys. So definitely check out the glossary section because you're gonna hear a whole bunch of different new words and we wanna make sure you guys are well equipped. But let's go ahead and get into the core framework. When I tell you each section builds trust, that includes the hook, the problem, the solution, the benefits, the social proof, the offer, and the call to action. And yes, guys, this is all on your product page that we're going to be building. And don't worry, AI is going to be doing the heavy lifting. The contrast is if you guys are just creating a very simple product page with simple actual features, no social proof, no actual hook, no actual reiterating the problem, guess what? You're not going to be able to win. Or in other words, you list features that says contains magnesium versus guess what? Helps you relax and fall asleep faster. Those are two different things. We want to be able to walk our customer to, yes, this process of determining our product is the reason, okay? The reason that people like them will get the benefit, success, or desired outcome. People don't buy ingredients, they buy outcomes. And I want you to remind you guys, the common mistakes to avoid is too much text or wells to customers, complicated language, hard to understand, unclear benefits, and even more so, no social proof or call to action. When we're going through our research phase, we're not just looking for a product, but we're looking at exactly what our suppliers, what are our customers, what are our actual competitors, influencers are saying about a product, how they're promoting a product, how they are laying out a product, how everything is coming together with the product on our website. And we want to be able to apply that research phase in this actual phase too. And success looks like in this phase is when you build an actual page that covers all the things that we mentioned, like it's clear, it's easy to follow, it clearly explains the value, it builds trust with proof, it guides the customer step by step. This leads to consistent conversions and subscriptions. And I'm gonna tell you, our actual NAD product that we've created in-house is now reached the actual 1 month since we launched it. It already has 60 plus subscribers at the time of this actual video, and it's already reoccurring revenue, multiple 4 figures already. We have laid out the same exact system that we built for us, and we're giving it to you guys. And trust me, the additional videos that you guys are gonna see on this is gonna bring this thing full circle. So as a friendly reminder, the execution reminder, your PDP should remove confusion and provide clarity, which will equal conversions. This guides the customer step by step to, yes, buy your product. And of course, what's next? While this is just your introduction to Move and Shake, what you guys are gonna do next is you're gonna watch the videos that not only your coaches have put together, covering this phase in great details. You're gonna be able to, yes, start playing around with the custom GPTs, the tools, and the agentic agents that we built to kind of move you guys through this. And then of course, we wanna make sure that you guys are not only attending classes that focuses on this phase, the store building and the product page phase as well. And with that being said, guys, I know this was a lot in a nutshell, but I want you guys to understand that every piece to your actual foundation is gonna allow you guys to have something that can last forever and yes, help you guys be free forever if you choose. So let's move on to the next videos.